Thank you to the press to come on in such huge numbers. बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप आए हैं सपोर्ट करने के लिए. मुझे पता है कि मैं नहीं, मेरे बाएं पे जो बैठे हैं इसके लिए आप आए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच. जैसे आपने अभी सुना, शिलोंग चैम्बर क्वायर पहले मार्च को हमारे फाउंडेशन के फंड रेजर में परफॉर्म करेंगे, लेकिन ये सिर्फ कहानी का आधा हिस्सा है. दूसरा हिस्सा है उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन, जो उनके साथ अभी आपने इनको सुना है तो आप थोड़ा सा इमेजिन कर सकेंगे कि इफ उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन प्लेज विद दिस क्वायर, इट इज गोइंग टू बी विदाउट डाउट ए वर्ल्ड क्लास इवेंट. Ustad Zakir Hussain is the greatest tabla and percussion player in the world, and the Shillong Chamber Choir is one of the top 3 choirs in the world. To have the two of them together on the same podium, it will be a recital for 1 hour. It's going to be absolutely incredible. हमने ये सोचा कि फाउंडेशन अक्सर हर साल एक वर्ल्ड क्लास स्पोर्टिंग ऑक्शन किया करता था. This time we said, forget about the sporting auction. Let's just have a straight fundraiser. हम अपने बच्चों के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे आपको. हम क्या तालीम देते हैं उन बच्चों को, हमारा मकसद क्या है. लेकिन उस शाम को अगर रसीला बनाएं तो कैसे बनाएं. तो हमने सोचा कि अगर फाउंडेशन का मकसद ये है कि जो दो भारत हैं, एक बहुत गरीब दूर दूर जगह पे, चाहे विदर्भ में हो, चाहे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हो, चाहे अंडमान में हो, अगर हमारा मकसद है एक ब्रिज बनाना, एक पुल बनाना उनके बीच में, and the more fortunate part of India, then why can't we do that in music, where we build a bridge between two very very distant people and yet both world class. So we said, let's have a musical evening where Ustad Zakir Hussain from California, Bombay and the world plays with the Shillong Chamber Choir, who plays with the Shillong Chamber Choir, who are from Shillong, and of course they tour all over the world also. So it's going to be historic. But before I start, I would like to genuinely give my love and my thanks first to John for coming. John, you've been a friend now for the last 6 or 7 years, and I think the kind of I think you took about 20 seconds to say yes. I know there's nothing in this for you, but thank you. I know you will get a chance to talk, but right now, before you do, I just want to say, very few people in our industry and other industries will do this, and so I owe you a big one, and our kids owe you a big one. Thanks.
Rahul, मुझे वहाँ मिलता था with these young girls from Port Blair, and then he introduced me this time to the girls and boys from Kashmir. And I think it's absolutely outstanding that he's taken up such a big cause. क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ हम लोग कमिटमेंट ज़्यादा करते हैं लेकिन काम कम. And this man has actually been so consistently इन्होंने deliver किया है, and he's got out these young bright students. और मैं मिल चुका हूँ. I've met all of them, right? I've met each one of them. They're wonderful. I've seen Bindu and her friends grow up actually.
From 11 to 18.
From 11 to 18, I've seen them grow up, and they're such wonderful girls and boys, and they're just absolutely outstanding. I would honestly like to. I was shocked. जब भी मैं यहाँ आया था, I was shocked, and I'm absolutely shocked. I don't know whether I should obviously thank the PR, but I'd also love to thank each one of you in the press, because to come and actually be here for this cause is showing support for this cause. So, yeah, really, hats off to you guys for actually being here, and thank you so much, because we are nothing sitting here on this podium without what you're going to say there. So, Rahul, I think 120 जो आपने number बताया था, I think is still a very low number. I think with the participation of the media and the participation of people like me, Devu, of course, and I mean, Neil's doing his best there, singing and eating well. That's good. So I think with our participation, I think that number is that can be achieved much sooner than later. So we should look at larger numbers. I'm getting aware about this when I'm reading it out here, Rahul. But congratulations, man! You're a rock star. Seriously, superb. Congratulations.